Welcome to back to IBS, where we bring you alumni journeys that reflect how strong academic foundations translate into real-world leadership and business impact. I'm your host Palak, and today we are delighted to have Mr. Anand Singh, an alumnus of IBS Gurgaon from the batch of 2005, currently serving as business unit head at Cash Free Payments. He brings hand-on experience in direct marketing, growth strategy, customer acquisition, and scaling fintech businesses in competitive markets. Welcome to the podcast. I know you, Paula. It's a pleasure to have you with us. Thank you. Sir, when you look back at your time at IBS, what memories or learning still influence the way you lead teams and make decisions today?
So if I go back, it's like I started MBA post my 2 year of experience in sales. So I thought, yes, I have all the things, but when I go back and see current situation, things have changed, right? So the best thing which I have learned in MBA is all about personal development in terms of professionally. So it was like, MBA was not a MBA per se in terms of education, getting enhanced on your knowledge, but also improving your skill, overall professional attitude, and that has made the difference for me.
That's an impressive journey, sir. You have led initiative focused on growth, customer acquisition, and market expansion. What were the key turning points that shape your journey?
So key turning point, see, in all this particular thing, all the processes, the most important thing is sales. For sales, you need to have this particular conviction that you can manage this. You can have this particular relationship with the customers, and you will be able to, sell the things which is required by the customer, not the product which you are there to sell, right? So overall understanding, if you talk in short word, basically you need to understand, listen to the customer, fulfill their requirement rather than selling your product, right? So that understanding of the entire journey, whether it was a growth, business development, analytics, anything, everything is required to understand. That's understanding of the customer's requirement is important, and that is what you have to do.
Right. Based on your leadership experience, what is the one honest advice of career you would give to management students starting out?
Okay. Just be yourself, be honest. That's all I will say.
Okay. Before we wrap up, we have a quick segment called Audit That Assumption. Please tell us whether these statements are true or a myth. A brief explanation. Absolutely. So, first one could be managers expect fresh MBAs to know everything from day one. It is a myth or
That's a myth. So, so it's like manager also understand the people have come a fresher. They don't expect you to know everything, but they expect you to deliver and how fast you go with it. It's not about the execution which they are bothered about, not about whether you have known or not known. They are there to train. Right? That's
second one. Finance roles are only meant for students strong in mathematics.
myth. Okay, so I'm a marketing guy. If you go back my education career or profit things, I'm a mechanical engineer. I did marketing here in MBA, and now I have managed anything and everything which is related to business, which also part of business finance. I manage in strategy business finance, so it's not like that finance guy will go on everything. All my finance guys are either in marketing or sales or some other places, but not core finance, nothing like that. It's a myth, little myth.
Okay. Visibility at work happens naturally if you perform well.
No, that's absolutely a myth, right? So visibility, it's not only performance, right? You have to manage your perception also, to be very honest. So perception, will that be, kind of yes boss? My answer is no. I've never been a yes boss guy. You got to be right. You got to be telling the thing what is right and what is right for the company. Then you will make the difference out there.
That's insightful. You need to be aggressive to grow faster in corporates.
Aggressive in your result, right? Not in terms of, so if you talk about that aggression, I will say partially myth, partially correct. Partially aggression doesn't mean aggression in your behavior. Aggression in terms of delivering the result is something which go hand in hand. But being aggressive in terms of delivery, but in terms of being humble with the nature and the people around, that's what will make the difference to you.
Okay. So, last one, specialization choice during PGPM permanently locks your career.
No, not at all. That's a myth.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir, for sharing your journey and insights with us. This conversation will surely help our students gain a clearer perspective on building impactful careers in today's business environment. And we wish you continued success in your future endeavor.
Like you, fella.